Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making a Fish Au Gratin on the Karma 32 wood-fired pizza oven from WPPO. We're going to start with making the sauce for the gratin, and the first thing that we want to do is chop some parsley, and I want to show you a neat little trick that my dear friend Chef Mac always used to do. I miss you, buddy. So here we go. You grab onto the stem with your left hand, and then you take a fork in the right hand and go to town on the parsley. That will easily remove the parsley leaves from the parsley stems. Then you want to roughly chop the parsley. Next, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a hot saute pan. Then we're going to add the parsley, 2 finely chopped shallots, about 4 ounces of chopped white mushrooms. Then you want to saute this until translucent and cook through. And then you want to add about 2 cups of good chardonnay. And we're also going to add about 32 ounces of seafood broth or fish fumé. So while we're waiting for the sauce to reduce, we have to do 3 things. We have to clean and boil 4 pounds of russet potatoes. We have to light the pizza oven, and we also have to enjoy some of the leftover white wine that we had on such a beautiful day as we have here today. So cheers! Oh, life is good. We're going to use the pizza oven as an outdoor oven, so you don't need a big fire. Start with a couple of kindlings of pecan wood, light them on fire, and then try to maintain and feed it so you're keeping an inner temperature of between 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 225 degrees Celsius. The potatoes are boiling, the pizza oven is heating up nicely, and the sauce has reduced. So now it's time to continue working on the sauce, and here's what we're going to do. Start by separating the liquid from the mushrooms and the shallots, and then pour the liquid back into the saute pan. Then we're going to add 2 to 3 cups of heavy cream and continue reducing. When this has reached almost a stew-like texture, add a ton of dill, and I love dill, so I throw in almost half a cup. Then you want to season with salt and pepper, and finally we're going to add a couple of cups of North Atlantic shrimp. The sauce is now ready, so you can set it aside. So while the sauce continues to reduce, the potatoes are now done boiling, and it's time to turn them into pomme duchesse. We're going to start by mashing the potatoes, then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add 4 to 5 egg yolks, and then we're going to grate about half of a nutmeg in the mix. And then of course season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then you want to stir this thoroughly and set it aside. So all the ingredients for the Fish Au Gratin are now prepared, so it's time to put it together. And this is how we're going to do. Start by buttering the bottom of an oven-proof pan. Then you want to scoop the pomme de duchesse towards the outside of the pan. Then you want to pipe some pomme duchesse on top of that, just to make it look good. Next, we have this beautiful Icelandic cod fillet that you want to slice into smaller pieces and place at the center of the pan. Then you want to pour the sauce on top of the fish. And finally, it's time to place the Fish Au Gratin in the pizza oven and bake it for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes is getting a beautiful yellow color. It's been about 20 minutes. The Fish Au Gratin has a beautiful color, so it's time to remove it from the pizza oven. Now we only need to put some finishing touches on the Fish Au Gratin. So top it with a couple of fresh North Atlantic shrimp, a couple of sprigs of dill, and a slice of lemon. And now it's ready to serve. And that is how you make a Fish Au Gratin on the Karma 32 wood-fired pizza oven from WPPO. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells amazing, so here we go. Rich, creamy, you get a lot of seafood flavor. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.